Hello, my name is Lucas Michael Legaspi, and I will be telling you about an invention that I made that can help us with a drought. The materials that you need is one airline tubing, one PVC pipe, and 2 bottles of empty water bottles. I made this contraption by poking a hole right here on the side and sticking airline tubing in it. After you stick it in about 1 millimeter inside of the bottle, you glue it. You glue it with super glue. Next, you drill a big hole about 20 millimeters between the 2 caps. Then, you stick the PVC pipe and glue it like we glued the airline tubing. Then you seal the bottles together, and that's your contraption. To make this invention, first get 2 caps of the same size and glue them together. Next, drill 20 to 22 millimeter hole inside of both caps. Then stick a 7 to 8 inch PVC pipe inside of the hole. Stick it about 7 inches to one side and 1 inch to the other side. Next, you screw it on to this water bottle. Next, you screw it onto the water bottle with the airline tubing, as shown. Make sure the one with the airline tubing goes on top. This contraption works by putting dirty water at the bottom and then put it outside on the hot sun. And in the next day, you'll find some water on top, which you can drink. But for this contraption, all the water that evaporates goes down to the plant, so you don't have to water the plant. So as you can see, the contraption is set. Just so you can prove that the water is not still salt water, I put a little bit of food coloring, so when it goes up, you can see that it's clear, and then it can go down the airline tubing into the water, which can give the seedlings nutrients, so it could grow. And for this one, I do the same thing, but just different food coloring. And when it comes up, you can see it's going to be piled up with fresh water that's clean. And then, when you take it out, you can drink it. So this is day 7. And the first 2 days, I watered the plant because the cycle wasn't starting yet, and there was no evaporation. But as you can see, there's some evaporation going down the tube, which gives these plants more water. And I don't even water them anymore. The evaporation cycle waters the plants for me. So it's been the past 3 weeks, and there's been a lot of evaporation down here, but the plant died and there was no water here because lately outside it was really cold and there was not a lot of evaporation. So I'm gonna try to cut the pipe and then put some hot water here, so it'll speed up the process. And I'm thinking if the pipe is smaller, more water will come out, because I think most of the water gets on the PVC pipe and it doesn't go up here to the other water bottle.
So is there enough evaporation or not enough?
So no, there's not enough evaporation.
Okay, do you think the cold weather contributed to less evaporation?
Yes, because if the weather is cold, the evaporation will just go all the way to the bottom. But when it's hot, the water will go up and water the plants.
Do you think it's going to make a difference if you did it in summer?
Yes, because if the water is hot, because the sun heats the water up, and the water will go up because it's more hot. The more hotter it is, the more evaporation it gets, which means more water will go to this water bottle, and then it'll water the plants. And yeah, that's it.